Emergencies on the road can happen when you least expect them. Whether it's an accident, fire, or even a vehicle submerged in water, having the right tool can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car emergency safety hammers to help you stay prepared in critical situations. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Eafc Car Emergency Safety Hammer. The Eafc Car Emergency Safety Hammer is an essential tool for any vehicle, designed to provide a quick escape in life-threatening situations. Whether trapped inside due to a fire, flooding, or an accident, this tool offers a reliable solution to break windows and cut stuck seatbelts. With a heavy hammer head and a tungsten steel firing pin, it ensures effective performance during emergencies. But does it truly live up to its promise? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: quick and effective window breaking. The tungsten steel firing pin provides high hardness and durability, allowing the hammer to break car windows in seconds, ensuring a fast escape during emergencies. Heavy hammerhead for added power. The weight of the hammerhead increases the impact force, making it easier to shatter tough glass without excessive effort. Seatbelt cutter for extra safety. Apart from breaking windows, the tool includes a blade designed to cut through stuck seatbelts, providing an additional escape method when doors cannot be opened. Durable and reliable. Built to withstand multiple impacts without damage or deformation, the safety hammer remains functional even after repeated use, ensuring long-term reliability. Essential for water and fire accidents. Whether a vehicle is submerged in water or engulfed in flames, this tool provides a quick way out, enhancing safety in unpredictable situations. Cons: single-use seatbelt cutter. While the blade is sharp and effective, frequent use could lead to dullness, potentially reducing its cutting efficiency over time. The Eafc Car Emergency Safety Hammer is a valuable addition to any vehicle, offering essential safety features for emergency situations. Its robust build, quick window breaking ability, and seatbelt cutting functionality make it a reliable life-saving tool. Coming in at number 4, the Seametal Car Emergency Safety Hammer. In an emergency, every second counts. The Seametal Car Emergency Safety Hammer is designed to be a quick and effective escape tool, ensuring drivers and passengers can safely exit their vehicles during critical situations. With its durable construction, innovative features, and ease of use, this safety hammer offers peace of mind for every car owner. However, like any product, it has its advantages and drawbacks. Let's explore the pros and cons of this life-saving device. Pros: durable and rust-resistant build. The Seametal safety hammer is made from high-quality alloy material, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its robust construction allows it to withstand harsh conditions without deteriorating, making it a dependable tool for emergencies. High-strength window breaker. Unlike traditional hammers that require forceful swings, this safety hammer features an innovative spring mechanism that delivers a powerful impact with minimal effort. This makes breaking car windows quick and easy, even for those with limited strength. Concealed safety design. One of the standout features of this tool is its concealed design. The hammer remains safely hidden until needed and can be activated with a simple press. Additionally, the cutting edge is tucked away, reducing the risk of accidental injuries while ensuring it's always ready to cut through seat belts or other obstacles. Ergonomic and easy to use. Designed with user convenience in mind, the lightweight and compact safety hammer fits comfortably in any hand size. Its non-slip grip enhances control, ensuring a firm hold when breaking windows or cutting seat belts during high-stress situations. Quick and flexible installation. The hammer comes with a magnetic base, allowing for easy and secure placement anywhere in the vehicle. This ensures the tool is always within reach without compromising the car's aesthetics. Cons: not suitable for laminated windows. The hammer is designed for standard tempered glass windows. If your vehicle has laminated glass, which is more resistant to breaking, this tool may not be as effective. The Seametal Car Emergency Safety Hammer is a well-designed, practical, and essential tool for any driver. Its durable construction, Easy operation, and innovative safety features make it a must-have for vehicle emergency preparedness. At number 3, we have the Baseus BS-CG013 Car Emergency Safety Hammer. The Baseus BS-CG013 Car Emergency Safety Hammer is a must-have tool for vehicle owners who prioritize safety. With its 3-in-1 functionality, this device combines a seat belt cutter, a window breaker, and an emergency lamp into one compact and efficient unit. Designed to assist in various emergency situations, this tool offers reliability and convenience when it matters most. However, like any product, it has both advantages and drawbacks. Pros: multifunctionality. The 3-in-1 design eliminates the need for multiple emergency tools in your car. By incorporating a seat belt cutter, window breaker, and emergency lamp, the Baseus BS-CG013 provides all the essentials in a single compact device. Effective seat belt cutter. In the event of an accident where seat belts become jammed, the built-in cutter ensures quick and efficient release. This feature is crucial in emergencies where fast action is required to exit the vehicle safely. U-shaped window breaker for easy escape. The U-shaped design allows for quick and forceful window breaking, making it easier to escape from a car when doors are jammed. This ensures a fast exit in critical situations. Built-in emergency lamp for visibility. The integrated emergency lamp is useful in low-light situations, whether it's for escaping at night or locating items inside the vehicle. This added illumination enhances safety and convenience. Durable and lightweight construction. Made from aluminum alloy, the Baseus BS-CG013 is both strong and lightweight. Its durability ensures reliability during emergencies, while the leather handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Cons: limited battery life for the emergency lamp. While the built-in lamp is a useful feature, its battery life may not be sufficient for extended use. Users may need to check and replace or recharge the battery periodically. The Baseus BS-CG013 Car Emergency Safety Hammer is a well-designed and versatile tool that enhances vehicle safety. Its combination of a seat belt cutter, window breaker, and emergency lamp makes it a valuable addition to any car emergency kit. Next up at number 2 is the Vexverm Car Emergency Safety Hammer. Emergencies on the road can happen at any time, and having the right tools can make all the difference. The Vexverm Car Emergency Safety Hammer is designed to provide a dependable solution for breaking car windows in critical situations. With its high-strength aluminum alloy construction and tungsten steel head, this tool ensures efficiency and reliability when it matters most. Let's explore its advantages and disadvantages to help you decide if it's the right emergency tool for your vehicle. Pros: durable and high-strength construction. The aluminum alloy body makes the Vexverm Safety Hammer highly durable, allowing it to withstand extreme temperatures without losing its effectiveness. Its frosted surface not only adds a stylish touch but also enhances grip, ensuring ease of use even in stressful situations. Effective window breaking. Equipped with a tungsten steel head boasting a Rockwell hardness of 55, this hammer can shatter glass instantly. The gun's spring mechanical structure further enhances its efficiency, generating 20 kgf impact force to push the drill bit and break windows with ease. This feature is essential in emergencies where a car door is jammed or the vehicle is submerged. Works underwater. Unlike some safety tools that struggle under high water pressure, the Vexverm hammer is designed to function even when submerged. This makes it a critical tool for emergencies involving floods, accidents near water bodies, or other underwater escape scenarios. Compact and easy to store. Despite its powerful performance, the safety hammer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in a glove compartment, center console, or door pocket for quick access during emergencies. Cons: no built-in mounting system. The tool does not come with a built-in mounting system or holster for securing it within easy reach. This might make it harder to locate in a panic, especially if stored loosely in a glove box. The Vexverm Car Emergency Safety Hammer is a reliable and well-constructed tool that provides an effective solution for breaking car windows in emergency situations, including underwater escapes. Its high-strength tungsten steel head, mechanical spring system, and durability make it an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Baseus Car Emergency Safety Hammer. The Baseus Car Emergency Safety Hammer is designed to provide drivers and passengers with a dependable tool in life-threatening situations. With its high-strength tungsten steel head, gun-type spring mechanism, and built-in seat belt cutter, this device ensures a quick and efficient escape when needed. However, like any product, it has its advantages and drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of this emergency tool. Pros: durable and long-lasting. The tungsten steel head, with a Rockwell hardness of 55, ensures exceptional durability. Unlike traditional emergency hammers, this tool remains reliable even after long periods of storage in a vehicle. Effortless window braking. The gun-type spring mechanism delivers a powerful impact force of 6 kg, enabling users to break car windows within 0.1 seconds. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with limited physical strength, allowing for quick escapes in emergencies. Effective in underwater situations. Many safety tools struggle under water pressure, but the Baseus hammer maintains its effectiveness even when submerged. This feature is crucial in situations where a vehicle becomes trapped in water due to flooding or accidents. Integrated seat belt cutter. The built-in stainless steel cutter allows users to slice through jammed seat belts efficiently. This is essential in cases where seat belts become stuck, ensuring a fast and safe exit from the vehicle. Cons: limited to window and seat belt emergencies. While highly effective for breaking glass and cutting seat belts, this tool does not offer additional functionalities, such as a flashlight or alarm, which some other emergency tools include. The Baseus Car Emergency Safety Hammer is a well-designed, highly effective tool for breaking car windows and cutting seat belts in emergency situations. Its durable construction, powerful spring mechanism, and underwater capabilities make it a reliable choice for vehicle safety.